So, you've just built your brand new PC with Ryzen 9 3900X and 2080 Ti. And what do you do next? Well, you'll need an operating system. And most of the time it's Windows 10. So in this video we're going to show you how to install Windows 10 on a USB stick. So first of all you're going to need a USB. Now the requirements are a minimum of 1 gig and I think the max is 32 gigs. So we have one just in the middle with the SanDisk Ultra 16 gig. So yeah, pretty much any USB will work. Okay, first off, what you're going to want to do is you want to jump on Google or any web browser and you're going to search up Windows Creation Tool. So I've already done that, and then you're going to click on first thing that pops up. Then once you're on this screen, you're going to want to go down to create Windows 10 installation media. So let's hit download tool now, then let's hit open, yes, and then it's going to boot up. Getting a few things ready. Right, now we're on this, so we have to read all of this and then we can hit accept. And then it's going to get a few things ready again. So while it's getting a few things ready, you can insert the USB into the computer and then you can just leave it until it's ready. And then it popped up, what do you want to do? So you can upgrade this PC now. Now we're not going to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go create installation media. Going to hit that. Then hit next, then you can choose your language, make sure it's English, then Windows 10, and then architecture. You're going to hit 64-bit. Most of the time with 64-bit your computer will be 64-bit. Your computer has to be really old to be 32-bit. But yeah, let's just go on to 64-bit and then hit next, and then choose which media to use, USB flash drive and ISO file. So we've got USB flash drive inserted already, so then it's automatically ticked USB flash drive. Now it's already on that, hit next, and now it's on select a USB flash drive. So then I haven't labeled this one, but it's drive E. So yeah, we're going to hit next and then it's going to get a few things ready. This one may take a while, but boom, it's started to put free Windows 10 version 3. It's starting to put a free Windows 10 boot drive onto your USB. So you can wait for this to load up. It may take a while. As you can see, it's loading up. So when you boot it up onto your computer, it may have a wee watermark down in the bottom right corner. Now, and the reason because of that is if you don't have a Windows activation key, it's just going to leave a watermark down on the bottom right corner. But you can always get rid of that by buying an activation key and then it will get rid of the watermark. But if you're like one of those people that don't mind the watermark, then you can just leave it there and it's still going to run like a normal activated Windows. And now it's just changed to verifying your download, and now it's doing creating Windows 10 media. So now it is going to copy the Windows 10 file onto the USB. And now it says your USB flash drive is ready. So then we can hit finish and then setup is cleaning up before it closes. and then boom, that's done. So then you can either shut down your PC or your laptop, or you can eject the USB. So yeah, that is how you install Windows 10 onto a USB. So if you want us to show you how to run the USB onto a laptop or PC, well then make sure that you hit the like button and the subscribe button down there. And if you liked this video is a bit of a tutorial, we don't normally do these. But if you like this video, please consider liking it to show that you enjoyed this. So yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.